Hello everyone, welcome to another video on AutoDesk sketchbook app tutorial. Let's start the video. On my previous video, we learned about what are the tools plotted on top of this app. In this video, we will learn about what are the tools available in this tools library and how to use it. Let me explain one by one. These are the basic tools available in basic tools category gang. In this basic gang, some pencil, airbrush, normal erasers, these tools are available. You can see this in this left side, the default I set already default setting pencils. I like pencils very much, that's why I'm set here pencil. You can set whatever tools you want it. Let's see how to set it. See this, for example, this synthetic paint category. You can see here one thumbnail is available like pin type. If you press this pin, it will automatically plot the synthetic tools in default setting. Likewise, you can set. Let's see the brushes are available one by one. With this basic category, this is normal pencil. You can see this is the flow airbrush. You can adjust the thickness of the airflow and the opacity of the airflow. You can see the difference. Now I am putting low level, the opacity. See how lightly it's sprayed. Now I am increasing opacity of the airflow. Now you can see how the thickness and darkness of the airflow is increased. You can see. Here I will explain what are the tools I mostly use. In these basic categories, there are two types of erasers available. This one is Cashmere eraser, this one is tester eraser. In Cashmere eraser, that is very hard eraser. If I use this eraser, you can see that it erases very hardly. If I use this texture eraser, you can erase that minute parts. Let's see how it works. See, it will not erase very hardly like previous eraser. Let's see the next tool. Next one is synthetic paintbrush. I like this synthetic paintbrush. Why means if you want to draw any paintings on reality, we can use it synthetic paintbrush. There are so many different types of brushes are available. You can see here. What is the beauty of this app is, if you select any tool, any brush, you can see here what is the structure, what is the texture of this brush. So you can easily identify how this brush will work. Let's see the next one. Now we will see on pencils. Like normal pencils are available in market. Here also there are so many different types of pencil available here. 4H, H, 2H. The last one is 9B. As you are aware already, I mostly use these pencils to draw outlines. Let's see what is the difference. 4H. Now I'm selecting black color for it will easily understand. Now I'm selecting 4H. Let me explain one thing. You can adjust the thickness of the pencil also. Let's see, this is a 4H pencil. Now I'm using 9B pencil. See, this is a lighter one, this is darker one. Likewise, whatever you want the pencil, you can use it. Let's move on to next one. There are some textures and the shapes are available here. We can use it very effectively in our drawings. Let's see how to use it. Now I'm selecting this sketch type category. See, now it is full. Now I am adjusting the reduce the shape. You can easily draw like gauge. If you want to adjust the thickness of the gauge, just go to settings, advanced, and go to setting nib. This texture category, here you can see one option is available, scale. If you reduce this scale, the size of the gauge will be reduced. Now see how it will be plotted. See, you can use it very effectively. The next one, let's move on to texture category. I like this texture is very much. Why means, suppose if you want to draw hairy structure, if you want to draw some hair, you can use it very effectively. I'm just adjust the size of this texture. Let's see. See, this looks like hair now. In manual drawing, it's so difficult to draw like this hair. Through this digital app, we can draw easily. Let's move to next one. Let me clear the page. The next beautiful shape I very much like this one. If you want to draw any bushes, you can draw easily from this shape. Let me explain how to plot. Now I'm adjusting the size. For natural look, I just adjusting the color of the shape. I want to draw now bush, so I am putting green color. Let's see. I will draw coconut tree leaf. We can draw very easily through this app. The next one is, from this you can easily draw bushes. See how easily we can draw. To get more reality, just adjust the lighter shade. Likewise, we can draw bushes very easily through this texture and the shapes. Next, move on to glow option, glow airbrush. If you want to draw any glow type drawing, we can use it very effectively. Now I want to draw fire. Just I'm adjusting. If you increase the flow, you can see here that glow effect will be increased. Just I am putting in middle. Let's see how to draw glow effect. Now I'm drawing fire. By this tool you can draw glow effect letters also. Now I am just write my YouTube channel Ravi Art Bank. Sorry, I will reduce the size. Yeah. Nice, right? Let's move on to next one. Just I remove these drawings. Let's see about blending tool. This is the most effective and beautiful tool. I like this very much because you can give very realistic drawing through this tool. Let me explain how we can draw. Now I am drawing lighter shades. Suppose you want to blend this area. Now I'm using blending tool. Yeah. I reduce the size. Just see what happens. By using this blending tool you can merge two different shades. If you want, just increase the size of the size. It will work more effectively. Let me explain another example for blending tool. Just I'm drawing on sphere. Now I will be give 3D effect for this sphere by using blending tool. Let's see how it will be work. Sorry. Now I will be blend all these colors. It will looks like very natural. Just select this blending tool, set the size, just blend this one. See how this drawing was changed. That's why I like this tool very much. We will see drawing techniques on upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this video, friends.